I'm sure you've heard everyone talking about how AI is killing so many jobs, but I just discovered two jobs created by AI. My name is Jay Sabra, and I created this series to help people understand how AI is reshaping the job market and society in general. So today I want to talk about these two jobs that I just discovered while using different AI tools. And the first one is video editing. So I just signed up with Descript. By the way, this is not an ad for the app. They're not sponsoring me or anything like that. As soon as I uploaded the video, it gave me a plan for how I want to change it. Now, it took me a bit of time to understand, okay, what are the edits and the changes that I want to do with it, but it automatically edited things that I usually have to do with Loom and edit the script and so on. And I was like, video editors are cooked, because now instead of me having to go to Upwork or Fiverr and searching for someone who can edit my video, I can just do it with this AI tool. But here's the thing that a lot of people miss. People think, oh, this app is going to replace all video editors. But the thing is, for me, instead of still sitting for 30 minutes or even 2 hours trying to prompt Descript to edit my video, I would much rather give it to someone who knows the tool and who knows exactly how to prompt it so they can edit my video the right way. And in the classical world, where this type of task might have taken 2 days to finish, now it takes 2 hours to finish. So AI has 10x the productivity of a video editor. The only difference is the video editor needs to adapt to the AI tools and learn how to prompt the AI tool to produce a similar or even better service for people like myself or anyone in the market. So that's really the job that's created by AI. So yes, maybe the classical video editing job has been replaced, but there's a new job that's being created, which is being an expert prompt engineer for this AI tool. And learning that, I would argue, is even simpler than learning classical video editing, like having to know all parts of the app and having to manually stitch up videos. Now all you have to do is learn how to prompt the app. So that's a first job being created. The second job that I discovered is skill development in Claude. So the other day I used Claude to produce a cover picture for my newsletter, and I saw how it was building the HTML, and that was mind-blowing to me. You can just give it prompts, and I noticed that the quality of the work has improved so much since the last model. So I can easily give it a few prompts like normal language. In my language, I'm not a UI expert or UX expert, but I can tell it, hey, edit this, do this and that, and it would go and take its time and do the work. This is phenomenal. And I noticed that you can also go into the skills and program the skill to do certain things personalized to you. My prediction is that this is going to be huge in the market. So there's going to be a whole marketplace of these skills that you can add into your AI model. And I think other AI labs are going to copy this concept of introducing skills or using add-on skills into your model. And so this is going to be big. So what you can do right now is start learning how to develop skills for Claude, because this ain't going anywhere. And these are exactly the things that people have been saying they're going to replace jobs. Yes, they will replace the classical types of jobs, because now, going back to the example of the design piece, I can just use skills in any AI model. It can do that for me. So if you're a designer or an editor or whatever, the best way for you to evolve your skills is by learning how to adapt your knowledge and bring it into skills for any number of AI labs or models. And this is a surefire way for you to future-proof your skills, to reinvent yourself and bring up your profile into the new world and make sure that you can use it and benefit from it. And the process is not as complicated as you think. You don't have to do a university degree to do this. A lot of people think that, oh, I need qualifications and certifications. How can I talk about this? And I never even studied it. You don't have to study it. I learned web development in 2 weeks, and I was able to get my first job after 4 weeks of building my first website. And in my university degree, we never studied anything related to web development. So I knew zero information about that. So any skill that you need to learn, you can learn the foundations and fundamentals of it in 2 weeks' time. The key is to start learning by doing. So look up a YouTube video about how to develop Claude skills and then learn the basics of that, and then go and build your first skill, build your first project, put it on GitHub, put it on your CV. Demonstrate that you have done this work and you know the knowledge, you know the basics of it, and start talking about it. And this way you get yourself out there and you're still working on your projects, you're still honing your skills and improving them. You don't have to be a master to be able to talk about it. And this is something a lot of techies fall into this trap where they think, I need to study for years on end before I can start talking or selling certain skills on my profile. That is not true at all. So you can start by do the first project, put it on GitHub, put it on your CV, and start talking about it. And you can go from there. If you have any challenge or a question or anything from what I just explained that doesn't make any sense to you, let me know in the comments, and I will see you on the next one.